Daryl Dalton Productions presents Deezle30 30th Birthday Bash Explosion, hosted by Maria Sopranos and D. Shaka for Friday, April 28th. Doors open at 10. 21 and up with ID, no obsession, dress to impress. Live performances by Mike Lansky, Gocci Baby, B.Weave, Brandy, Danielle, Uneek, Uncle James, Kaayno, Mike Feez, Mr. Scrooge, Jrock, and Bond liveWire. Jazz Central, 2931 East 3rd Street, Dayton, Ohio. No drama allowed, grown folks party. Tickets on sale now at Omega Music, 14 karat gold, and the self-made store in the Dayton Hall. Get your tickets.
Deezle 30th birthday bash, you know. We get over, we get cool, goddamn it. Be there.
We gon' smoke, we gon' chill, we gon' drink, pop some pills. If you ride, grab the wheel. I'm for real. Let me take you.
And it's that Scrooge nigga laughing.
Boost badass. What's up, Boost nigga?
We gon' be jumping with my brother, man. Deezle30.
Welcome to Louisiana date, nigga.
Mama said if they hit you, better hit their ass back. I'm a motherfucking boss, don't put your hands on. Yeah, they know I'm doing good, they look disappointed. Try to get these niggas, they act like they ain't want it. Double cup, turning up for my dear homie. Spilling Tony on your bitty while she dance on me. Everywhere I go, you know it's rubber bands on me. Try to take me off the top, these niggas laying on me. Damn, they really want me dead, that shit weighing on me. I won't let it stress me out, and I won't let them stretch me out. It's something special about me. She say she can't put her finger on it. Gon' be banging on it. It keep ringing, ringing, ringing on it. Rest in peace to Keenan on my daddy. I'ma hold it down. Holding rounds, I put you in the ground for my little soldier round. Rest in peace to Quan, him and Man used to roll them pounds. Rest in peace to AD, him and H, he used to hold it down. I roll around my town thinking damn shit changed. A lot of niggas slain from this so-called game. It used to be you get caught, you don't say no.